While we wait for ICT administrators of various schools to join, we want to hover through the Diocesan Portal. This is the website okadiocese.acadportal2.net. If you don't want to enter through this, you can enter using the website. You can enter through the website. You can enter through the website. If you don't want to enter through this, you can enter through the website. It's very, very important. We are waiting for people to join and make some comment to enable us know following. And God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. My name is Franklin. Please, anytime you call me and I do not answer, just chat me on WhatsApp. Even if I don't respond, I will respond to you as soon as I see it. Due to the diocesan work, most of the times I used to be busy, either with that bishop or any other diocesan function. So I do apologize for the people who have not responded to their questions. Please, and I want to believe that this night will solve a whole lot of challenges. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.